The Odyssey Project and Sneakers Custom from the creators of Negast join forces to bring you a new line of sneakers with an Afrocentric theme. Get yours now. Don't forget to tag your revolutionary-minded friends, buddies, family members. This is an awesome opportunity right now to pour and bolster the Black economy by supporting Black-owned businesses. Let's make it happen. These Tims are the first in a line of custom footwear with frat and sorority themes. Get these Omega Tims now.